Hi friends, welcome back to Python programming. We were doing Python fundamentals and had already talked about Python's character set and the first type of tokens, which are the keywords. The second type of tokens, the identifiers, we'll be discussing here in this video today. So now let us move on to identifiers, which are names. So these are the names that we give to different parts of a program, and those parts of the program could be variables, objects, classes, functions, lists, dictionaries, etc. All these parts of the program that we have listed here, you will learn about them as we move forward. So there are some rules which we have to follow and are provided by Python so that we are able to name an identifier. So you'll be able to see the rules coming now. The first one is that an identifier is an arbitrary long sequence of characters which are letters and digits. The first character must be a letter and an underscore counts as a letter. The upper and lower case characters are different and all characters are significant. The digits 0 through 9 can be a part of the identifier except for the first character. This means that the first character we cannot write as 0 to 9. Except the first character, these digits 0 to 9 can be used after the first character. Then we have that the identifiers are not limited by any length. The case is significant, that is, Python is a case sensitive language as it treats upper and lower case characters differently. An identifier must not be a keyword of Python. So all the keywords that we have just studied earlier, we cannot use them as identifiers or names in Python. An identifier cannot contain any special character except for underscore. So all other special characters except the underscore, they cannot be used in an identifier name. Now we'll take a look at some of the examples. We'll see some of the valid identifiers and then some invalid identifiers. So these are the valid identifiers that we have. These are valid because they do not violate any of the rules of identifiers in Python. So the first one, the normal alphabets are being used and capital and small letters we can use as identifiers name. So the first one is valid. The second one includes capital alphabets, an underscore and digits. All these can be included and therefore this is a valid identifier. The third one, Z2, T0, Z9, this includes all the alphabets and the digits. Therefore this is also a valid identifier. The fourth one, my file, all the characters here are capital letters. Therefore this is also a valid identifier. The fifth one, underscore ds, this is a valid identifier because the first character that we have used here is an underscore, and only an underscore or an alphabet can be taken as the first character. If we include the first character as a digit or any other special character, then it would result into an identifier being invalid. The sixth one, underscore hj13 underscore jk, it includes underscore and capital letters and digits. No rules are violated here, so this is also a valid identifier. The second last one, underscore chk, starts with an underscore, has only capital letters, so this is a valid identifier. The last one has digits and alphabets, starts with an alphabet, therefore it is a valid identifier. So let us check now if these identifiers are really valid in Python or if we get some error. So I am going to assign some value to variables having these names and see if the value get assigned or not. My file. So value is getting assigned to this variable, so this is a valid identifier. The same goes for the second variable too. or the second identifier. A value is getting assigned to the third one as well, so this is also a valid identifier. Same goes for the fourth variable, my file, in capitals. The fifth one, which is starting with underscore, this is also valid because we were able to assign a value correctly to this one. The same goes for the next one. This is also valid. So to all these variables or identifiers, I was able to assign a value without any error. Therefore, these all are valid identifiers. Now we will take a look at some other identifiers, but they will not be valid. They will be invalid because they are violating some or more of the identifier rules. First one is this one, data-rec. So here we have a hyphen, therefore it is an invalid identifier. A hyphen cannot be used as a part of identifier name. Only a special character, that is an underscore, can be used. Apart from that, other special characters cannot be used. Now 29CLC2. Here the first letter is itself a digit, so it cannot be a valid identifier and therefore is invalid. Now break. Why is this an invalid identifier? Because this is a keyword and we already know that a keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Therefore, this will be an invalid identifier. The last one, my.file. The only special character that we can use here is an underscore, but there is a use of dot here. Therefore, this would be an invalid identifier. Now let us try to check if they are actually coming up as errors because of them being invalid identifiers in Python. So I'll open Python and check for myself this time. So I'll try to assign a value to an identifier name, which could be an invalid identifier here as we have checked. So let me try for the first one, data-rec. Data-rec equal to 10. I am trying to assign a value of 10 to this identifier, that is one of my variable names. So because this is an invalid identifier, it would result into an error. Here we can see it already. Now I am trying to assign a value to my identifier 29CLCT, which is my variable name here. So this we already know that is an invalid identifier, so this should also result in an error here. We are getting an error. Now I am trying to assign a value of 5 to my identifier break, but break being a keyword becomes an invalid identifier, so it should also result into an error. Here we are getting an error, as you can see. The last one, I am trying to assign a value of 28 to this identifier name, which is my variable here. So this should also result in an error because we cannot use a dot inside the identifier name. So let me check if it results into an error. Yes, we are getting an error. I hope that you are able to learn about identifiers from this video. If you like the content, do give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.